Andito kami ngayon sa Jordan Wharf, Jordan Port. Monday to Friday, 20 pesos. O, yun ang fare. Sige, ikaw na lang. Kunin mo yan, kuya. Let's go. Safety first. So, this is MV Jordan Ferry 14. We are going inside the boat. We're going to Iloilo City. We're going back. One, two, three. We are going already. Moving to City. Iloilo City. Ayan. Andre, you sit down. The City Mall is there. We're already at Iloilo City. And City talaga. So ayan, andito na nga kami sa Iloilo City. So from Jordan Port to Jordan Port to dito, 20 minutes lang ang biyahe. Oh, ba't napapatagal ang paglabas ng aming mga kasama? Diyan si Andre. Ayan. So thank you so much. City Mall. Ito ang Iloilo Port. Adi man tabnok sa umugyat. Tambay mode. Si Andre. Anding, bakit yan? Oh. Kasyang-kasya. Eh. So, punta na kami sa airport. Iloilo Airport. We're going home already. Nagnabulas ulit. Andito na kami sa departure ng Iloilo City Airport. We are going back to Manila. Oh, bakit matagal yung mga kasama namin doon? Hinahanap nila yung kanilang mga ID. Ay! Anong nangyari? Andre! Oh, lika na. Let's go.
Later, when the plane is up, you just put it down already. But now, when the plane is going up,